Some of you may ask, why are other world economies surviving, like China? Why is China surviving? Why is China a major world power that is surviving? The Chinese believe that for any leader, for you to be a leader or for you to be among the ruling party, you must be somebody who has passed money, just like VDM. He has seen money and he has reading himself out of what money can give or what money can persuade him to do. Now, the Chinese don't do this way. The Chinese already have members of the communist parties in China are people who are already rich and well-to-do, who has money. They have big money. And because of their influential nature in the system, they are being put into the ruling oligarchy of the Communist Party in China. Why? Because they have passed money. They have seen whatever money will make them do, whatever bribe they will take, they have passed it because they have seen money. They are with money. So they make those policies. They are the ones who make policies for the Chinese citizens. Those of them, because they believe that if you have not eaten, if you have not made money, if you are not a renowned person, you cannot make policies for a whole teeming population of over 1 billion people inhabiting the state of China. Now, for that purpose, everything they do is working. Everything is working in China. The economy is flourishing. The development, the population, and all that. And the population, the higher the population, the lower the cost of labor. Because there are many people to take up the distance. Then who are making the public? You saw a recent news where they killed their former minister of agriculture, who they later found out was a thief who stole the resources of the country. So imagine a working system made up of communist groups who has already tested money and said, no, I cannot go back. They are working. But look at our system. People who own oil, like Russia. Russia is developing nuclear weapons. They own the same oil. Among OPEC, they are members of OPEC and we are also members of OPEC. There is nothing. People are just saving money for their children to come on board. The Nigerian people take their children abroad. Nobody cares about the policy that affects the common man. Even as an oligarchy, this country will still see shea pepper. You see, this country, many things are about to unfold. The revolution is nonsense because even those who are even doing the revolution, some of them cannot even withstand 100 million naira and say no, they will take, and me and you will be online complaining as I'm